Hey everyone, in today's video we will show you how to create a location shortcut on your Android home screen so that you can access your maps, directions, or even share a location with just one tap. So let's just jump right into it for that. For that, you can open up your Google Maps application, open it up on your screen, and then once you open it up, you can search for the location that you want to create a shortcut for. For example, I would like to do so for this location right here. So what you need to do is once you have searched for the location in the search bar and tracked it, um, pops a pop-up appears on your screen with directions, start, save, etc. You need to go ahead and tap on this option called directions on your screen, and it will open up another menu which should be appearing like this. So you will be finding your location and your destination at the top of your screen. You need to tap on your location at the top by tapping on the three dot right beside your location. Tap on it, and a menu appears on your screen. Now all you gotta do is simply tap on the option called Add Route to your home screen. You may find that option. You can find that option Add Route to home screen or Add Shortcut depending upon the version of your maps. So tap on Add Route to home screen, confirm it up, and once you do so, all you gotta do is simply tap on this add option. A shortcut icon will appear by tapping on it like this. You can close up your map and the icon will be appearing on your home screen directly. You can place it wherever you want on your home screen and you can just tap on it anytime for instant directions or location info. And that's it. That is how you can create direction location shortcuts right on your Android home screen. If this video helped you out, hit the like button, subscribe, and let us know what other Android hacks that you want to see next, and turn on notifications so that you do not miss any of our videos.